Okay, today I'm going to show you how to install the no-knock security lock on double doors. First, we're going to take the hinge pin out of the original door and put our hinge pin in. So you'll take a nail or anything that fits in the hinge pin hole and knock up on it from the bottom, and you can knock the pin out. Now, once you get the pin out, you just take the no-knock pin, this one, and stick down through the top and just tap it down till it goes all the way in, and you'll notice the hinge pin will swivel from one side to the other. Now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You're going to find the hinge that's straight across from it, and you're going to take your punch or nail, stick it in the bottom, tap up on it, and the pin will come right out the top. And once you get it out, just replace it with a no-knock pin and slide it down from the top, and now you're finished. That's all the hardware there is. Only other thing you need is the 2x4 bar, which you get at your home improvement center, and they will cut it at the length that you need, and you just set it straight across on the two pins, and there you have your no-knock security lock for double doors. Now, you can do three bars, one at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom, which will make it even stronger. Now, thanks for watching. Now I want to show you how to install the single door no knock lock system. What I'm doing is I'm replacing the pin that's the door hinge pin in the middle, and I knock the pin out, and I'm going to replace it with a no knock pin. So it just comes right out of the top, stick in the other pin, and you need two pins. So what we're going to do on the other side is we have a special hinge that we make that is bent to go around the corner so the door doesn't interfere with it when you close it. So as you see, when I open the door, it closes real tight, but the hinge is made to where it'll fit in there without interrupting the door. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up this hinge with the same height as the other hinge from the top of the door, and once I get it lined up, I'm going to shoot 4 screws in the leaf of the hinge. Now you put the hinge on where the bend is around the corner. You can't put it on backwards. If you do, it doesn't work. So once you line it up and you mark it or get a screw and place in the hole to get it started, then you take a screwdriver and screw that first screw in. Once you've got it lined up and screwed in, then you can go ahead and put the other 3 screws in. So you got 2 small ones that go in the front, and I'll use the screwdriver to screw those in. And then you've got 2 long screws that go in the back, that go into the frame deeper, like 2.5 to 3 inches. So once you've got it on there, then you take the leaf off that's in the front by doing the same thing as you did with the others. You take a punch or a nail and knock out the pin. So after I get these screws in, we'll go ahead and do that. And then you're about finished. All you have to do is put our hinge pin in, and you're done. So I'll go ahead and finish this. There, it's good and tight. The door will close. There's no interference with the door. And I'll get my hammer and my punch, and we'll go ahead and knock this pin out. And we'll put the no knock security pin in. And where is it? Here it is right here. And it just slides in the top like the rest of them. Now you get your wood the same place you got the other wood, from your home improvement center, and they'll cut it for you. This one is about 45 inches across. And also there's a Z bracket that fits on the bottom of the bar. You can see it right here. And you just hook that over the hinge pin and it will hang. And you move it out of the way for storage. And it makes it a lot easier just to grab this bar to lock it and swing it up. Swing the pin over and swing it back in. And now you have a lock door. It's real simple. Anyway, thanks for watching.